Welcome to learningtobe.com. Hi, we're here today to do our Creative Bees session. We thought we'd join in with the rainbow celebrations by doing our very own creative rainbow bees today. Now this was a suggestion by one of our gorgeous students at our bee school. We thought, why not? Let's have a go, shall we? Come on then, guys. Okay then, now these bees have all been done with using lots of patterns. Can you see? Now we could have a go at doing this, couldn't we, bees? Oh, look at this, look, the hearts on. How fantastic is that? And look at this one with a wonderful patterning, all using the colours from the rainbow. Right, are we ready to have a go ourselves, bees? We are going to need some paper, some pens or colouring pencils, and we're going to use your hand, okay? So we could do this with the whole family, couldn't you? Because the ones I just showed you behind me, you've got big hands and small hands, so it'd be lovely to have the whole family's hands turned into bees for your window displays. Okay, let's start then. So we're going to put our hand onto the paper, and we're only going to use these 4 fingers. We're not going to use the thumb, okay? So you're going to put the thumb in, and we're going to carefully draw around your hand. Now, if you need a grown-up, then ask for their help, please. So we're going to draw around our hands. If you haven't got a black pen, then don't worry. You can use any pen or pencil that you've got. Remember, they're rainbow bees, aren't they? Okay, then I'm going to lift it off, and I'm left with a shape that looks a bit like that. Okay, so let's see the next step. We're going to join that line all the way with the line at the bottom. Can you see, bees? Next stage, we are going to add in the wings of the bees. Can you see? Next stage, we're going to add in our stripes. So we're going to put in the stripes of the bees. Now you can put these stripes wherever you want them to be. And there are my stripes. Next stage, I think I'm going to put a face on him, a very smiley face. Now you could add some sunglasses on him, you can make him into a cartoon one, you can do whatever face that you want on him, okay? So I'm going to add my eyes, and a big smile, and a nice nose as well. Can you see? Right, next bit, I'm going to add my colour onto them. Now, because it's we need the rainbows, we need it to be really nice, so everybody can be nice and happy. We need to start adding our colours to our stripes. Now you could add patterns. Like these ones. You could add hearts like this one. Or you could have spots like this one. Now you can use any colour you want because they're only rainbows, aren't they? So you can do whatever colours you want, any pattern you wish. Can you see that it's starting to build up, isn't it, bees? I'm going to put some yellow stripes in the background. I might even put some yellow into the wings. I'm going to put some orange stripes, and I might even put some orange spots. How about a nice red smile? Nice red smile. And I think I put some stripes in between. As well. So there we have it. They there's one bee that we can use, okay? There's another one that you could use as well. And what we're going to do now is carefully cut out this with a pair of scissors. Now you need to have a grown-up to help you with this, please, or to watch you. Right, so we're going to cut round him. Now you can either cut round the shape like this if it's easier, or you can actually cut around the fingers as well. Okay, it's up to you. You're carefully going to cut this out, around. Carefully don't cut his wings off. Oh, I know what I've forgotten. I've forgotten his antennae, haven't I? Let's best go back and do that. Are we ready to add his antennae? Can't have him without those, can we? Okay, so there we have it. There's our bee. So we've done it in rainbow colours. We can then stick it up on the wall. But it would look really better if we had them in the window, wouldn't it, of our houses, so they can bring joy and happiness to everybody, so that everybody can be happy. So if we have a look at the ones behind me again, so we can see how the different versions that you can do. Come on, Oshan, give me a hand. Can you bring the camera over, please, Oshan?
Yep.
Come on, guys, let's have a look. Here's some examples. We've got sunglasses on this one, done by Oshan. We've got some gorgeous stripes and patterns and zigzags. And can you see the patterns in the wings too? Oh, look at this one. Gorgeous rainbow colours there in the middle of the bee. We've got some lovely patterns. Can you see them, bees? We've got some flowers in this one too. So remember, have a go, make happy mistakes, and have lots of fun making these gorgeous rainbow bees. And remember to stick them in the window. Now, it'd be fantastic if you could send me a picture via the email or by messenger of your creations, and I can put a gorgeous collage together. That would be wonderful, wouldn't it? And let's spread the word around and be happy. Thank you for listening, and I can't wait to see you. Just a minute, we have got our bee gym sessions coming up as well shortly. We've got some cookery schools sessions coming up shortly as well. And next week in our e-learning pack, it is based on being an artist, learning to be an artist, whereby you're going to do a different artist technique every day of the week. And there's lots of literacy and numeracy that is linked in with the theme as well. And the week after is Volcano Week. So it's really exciting things we've got planned for our e-learning packs. There's even Dinosaur Week the week after. Everything you can think of, including exercise to mindfulness, art, crafts, science, maths, English, everything, geography, all linked to the themes and within one easy access timetable and pack for you, all done. Okay, so if you'd like to join us, then please message me via this Facebook, and I'll tell you all about our plan. It's only £5.50 a week. It's excellent value. It's half price to our normal sessions because we are trying to support each other. Again, thank you for listening. Bye-bye.